In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Religion, Conflict, and Peace course on Harvard Online and how you can get officially Harvard certified once you complete it. This is a great opportunity if you're interested in global studies, peace building, international relations, or if you simply want a prestigious Harvard certificate to strengthen your resume. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from finding the course to enrolling and completing it. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more educational and career-boosting tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. This is the official Harvard Online website, where Harvard University hosts its professional and academic online courses. Make sure you're on the official Harvard domain so you know the course and certification are legitimate. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses along with a search bar. Click on the search bar and type in Religion, Conflict, and Peace. As you type, the course should appear in the results. Go ahead and click on the course titled Religion, Conflict, and Peace. This will open the full course details page. On the course page, you'll be able to see an overview of what the course covers, who it's designed for, the duration, the workload, and what you'll learn by the end. Take a moment to read through this information so you understand the structure of the course and what's expected of you. This course focuses on how religion intersects with conflict and peace across different regions and historical contexts, making it highly valuable for both academic and professional growth. When you're ready to proceed, scroll down and click on the Enroll button. You'll be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online account, simply log in. If not, follow the steps to create a new account using your email address and basic details. After logging in, you'll be asked to fill in your enrollment details. This includes confirming your personal information and selecting your payment option. Review the pricing carefully, as some Harvard Online courses offer different tracks, such as audit or verified certification. To receive the official Harvard certificate, make sure you select the option that includes certification. Next, complete the payment process by entering your payment details and confirming your enrollment. Once the payment is successful, you'll gain full access to the course materials. You can start learning right away or follow the course schedule if it has specific start and end dates. As you progress through the course, make sure you complete all the required lessons, assignments, and assessments. This is important because successful completion is what qualifies you for the Harvard certificate. Stay consistent, take notes, and fully engage with the content to get the most value out of the course. Once you've completed all the course requirements, you'll receive your official Harvard certificate. This certificate can be added to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or academic portfolio, showcasing that you've completed a course from Harvard University. And that's it. You now know how to access the Religion, Conflict, and Peace course on Harvard Online and get Harvard certified. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.